know that we can't arrest our way out of this problem, but it just seems like right now we're losing ground a little bit.
Fighting the opioid problem. It's a serious and deadly epidemic affecting families right now here in the Mahoning Valley and Shenango Valley. Now, every day we hear more and more stories about overdoses. We hear the calls on our newsroom scanners all the times. In a lot of these calls, Narcan is used to reverse the overdose. In some cases, it's taking multiple rounds. That got us thinking about Narcan kits and where the money's coming from to pay for them. 27 First News Weekend anchor Julie Bursick spent that day investigating and is live in the studio with what she found out.
Yeah, local law enforcement has been using Narcan kits for a few years now, and they're using the kits more often, in some places at least once a day. Price tag on the reversal drug is anywhere from $60 to $90, and there are a lot of funding sources for those kits. Narcan kits are in demand.
Just in Warren City alone, our Warren City Police Department have used 59 kits so far this year.
This type of an addiction to heroin is so bad, they're actually turning blue and stopping breathing. They're being brought back and saved, and that doesn't seem like it's enough to scare them to stop using.
Funding for Narcan kits comes from a number of places. Ohio's two-year budget has $1 million marked for funding. That breaks down to $500,000 each year. That money goes to the state's mental health and addiction services. Every county health department can apply for money and is guaranteed a minimum of $1,800 to buy kits for law enforcement. The state gave me a breakdown of the money for the last fiscal year. Mahoning County got $8,600. Columbiana got just under $4,000. And Trumbull County got $7,600. Trumbull has already used most of its money this year, and that funding started just a few months ago.
We have funding from Trumbull Memorial Health Foundation, and they have given us money 2 years in a row now.
County mental health and recovery boards also help out with funding. Mahoning County Sheriff also uses drug seizure money to buy kits.
Can't think of a better expenditure than to buy the Narcan kits out of that fund.
When it comes to giving someone multiple rounds of Narcan, there is a concern it's just enabling a person to keep using. It's a question I asked the health department.
But maybe that fifth time is when that person will decide to change their life.
So addiction like this is a disease, according to the Trumbull County Health Department, and there are a lot of drug and recovery programs right here in the Valley. They offer support and help for an addict as well as the family members. Now, right now, our web team is putting together a list of those resources for you. It should be on WKBN.com in just a few minutes. Reporting in the studio, Julie Bursick, WKBN 27 First News.